Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're off to Graco in Belgium, so we're just heading on the Eurotunnel, so we will see you when we get there. Hi guys, we've just arrived at our hotel here in Maasmechelen in Belgium. So this is where Graco have their European headquarters. So we'll be staying at the hotel behind me, which looks pretty nice. So we'll be staying there tonight, having a meal with the guys from Graco. Then in the morning we'll be heading over to their headquarters, over to their warehouse, and we'll give you a little tour. Hi guys, so we've arrived at Graco, as you can see behind me over there. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to film inside, but I should be able to get some clips in the training school, so I'll show you around as best I can. So yeah, this is the Graco training centre. It's pretty cool. So now we've got to do the bit of spray training. So we're going to be spraying airless grade plaster, and we'll see how that goes.
So it's very difficult to say what's the maximum hole length, because now we are using 18, let's say. So it depends on the material.
So we've just finished spraying. We've been using the new T-Max, that's pretty cool. We've been using it in airless and air-assisted form. So you'd use the air-assisted form for larger aggregate sizes, so up to sort of 2 mil, and then using the airless for just using plaster. It's pretty cool. With the plaster machine, just using it in airless mode, you can use up to a 71 thou tip, so pretty massive. But we will crack on and go back to the spray room and see what we've got going on next.
Change. Now I need more pressure or more air. You can choose. If you use more air, you're going to have more overspray. So now you see, you have a nice finish. It's easy to spray. It's slow spraying. It's not like as fast as with the airless. But for cabinets, inside cabinets, it's easy. So who wants to try? Now with this gun, you can, hey, you spray that, you can spray much closer, because it's with the air, you have less pressure, with the normal air, so you can spray closer, and then
Well, I hope you've enjoyed the tour of Graco, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.